To plan a romantic picnic, pick out a location that you and your significant other will both enjoy. It could be a local park, a beach, or a pretty garden. Choose a day when the weather will be nice, so you won't have to deal with rain or extreme heat. If you think it'll be sunny and you won't be in a spot with lots of shelter, bring an umbrella to cuddle under. To give your picnic an old-fashioned vibe, pack your meal in a classic picnic basket. Don't forget to bring a cozy blanket to sit on and trash bags to help you clean up afterward. Prepare a meal that's mess-free and easy to eat, like finger sandwiches or fresh salads. In addition to the main course, bring some tasty snacks that you can eat while you talk, like fresh fruit, nuts, or pita and hummus. Chocolates or homemade desserts can also make a sweet romantic treat. Finally, bring something fun and romantic to drink, whether it's champagne, sparkling wine, or a non-alcoholic alternative like seltzer or sparkling juice.